In this video, we will show you how to access BART AI. BART AI is new experiment, the AI or artificial intelligence by Google. And you need to join whitelist before you can using BART AI. In here, you need to open bart.google.com websites and click this join whitelist button. Remember, maybe in different countries, this button is not appear. In here, you can just click join whitelist. After you join whitelist, you will be emailed by Google using your account or your Google account. I will show my email address in here. In here, this is inbox from BART AI. If your account has been approved, you will see it's your turn to try BART. In here, you can just click take it for a spin to trying the BART AI. Let's try the BART AI here. In here, you can access BART AI for free, of course. But the note for you, the experiment of this AI is only for a specific country, especially if you are in United States. For example, in here, I will asking or explain about coronavirus, for example. This is the BART AI is a little different with the popular one like ChatGPT. In here, you can see if I trying to asking about coronavirus, the BART AI cannot answer this question. But if I want to explain about Wikipedia, the BART AI sure can explain about this. Okay, you can see there. And in the BART AI, you can respond the answer from this AI by clicking this is a good response, bad response, or you can also generate new responses. If you need to new responses, you can just click new response here. The BART AI will trying using another reference for you. Okay. BART AI is just experiment, but without limitation. The limit is maybe about is in here. If you comment the BART AI about something like coronavirus, maybe become a sensitive topic, the BART AI is using this answer. And that's all tutorial how to access BART AI. Hope this video helpful for you.